Hello friends, how are you doing today? How is your garden coming along? Welcome back to my green corner, where every piece of kitchen waste is turned into something valuable. Food for the fish, treats for the chickens, rich compost for the plants, and of course, fresh organic vegetables for the whole family. More than that, it's also a peaceful place to relax, where the sound of water flows and the birds sing all day long. To make all of this possible, we need one simple but powerful tool, a composting tower. Today, I'm going to show you how to assemble a modular organic tower that transforms your kitchen scraps into nutrients for your plants. Unlike the DIY barrel version we built earlier, this one is commercially produced, easy to ship, lightweight, and it can even rotate, so your plants get sunlight from every angle, even on a small balcony. Let's take a look at what's included in the kit. 3 sturdy tower legs, a base, a leachate collection tray, a filter plate to let water drip through while keeping waste inside, 60 rolling balls that allow smooth rotation, a bottom planter layer, 5 planting layers with pockets for vegetables, 5 compost tube segments with small holes for worms to travel through, 1 top compost tube without holes, a compost tube lid, a few zip ties to keep the compost tube fixed in place, potting soil, a handful of earthworms, and of course, some young seedlings ready to be planted. Step 1. Choose a sunny spot. Plants need sunlight for photosynthesis. Step 2. Attach the 3 legs to the base and place it firmly on the ground. Step 3. Install the leachate tray and the filter plate. Step 4. Place the rolling balls into the circular groove. These allow the tower to rotate. Step 5. Put the bottom planter layer on top. Make sure it locks in securely and check if it rotates smoothly. Step 6. Add the planting layers one by one, stacking them up. At the same time, assemble the compost tube segments in the center, building it up layer by layer. Step 7. Use the zip ties to fix the compost tube in the middle, so it won't move when we add the soil. Then close the tube with its lid. Now the tower frame is ready. Next, let's add the soil. Fill the space between the tower wall and the compost tube with loose, rich soil. Make sure all planting pockets are filled too. and cover them with a thin layer of soil. The worms will adapt quickly and begin their mission of turning waste into black gold.
It's time to plant. Place your young seedlings into the planting pockets. After planting, water gently to keep the soil moist. Tip: plant in the late afternoon so your vegetables have a full night to recover and adjust to their new home. From now on, you can add your daily kitchen scraps, vegetable peels, fruit rinds, eggshells, coffee grounds into the compost tube. The worms will break them down and move in and out of the soil pockets, leaving behind worm castings, a natural fertilizer rich in nutrients and microbes. Meanwhile, the leachate tray will collect compost tea. This liquid is packed with beneficial microorganisms. Put it in an aeration bucket for a few hours.
Then dilute with water and pour it back into your plants. This way, nothing goes to waste. Your kitchen scraps become life for your garden. And that's it. Your modular compost tower is ready. With this system, you save money on fertilizers, recycle all your kitchen waste, grow fresh organic vegetables right at home, and create a green space full of life and relaxation. This tower is perfect for small balconies, backyards, or community gardens. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your gardening friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Together, we can create a greener world, one garden at a time.